Hey, let's perform the fingerprint sensor test on the Pixel 7 Pro. So I link with this fingertip and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna use my finger for like 10 times and let's see if there is any issues, any lock animation when I try to unlock. As you can see, currently it works really good. I touch the screen and it's unlocked. There is no any delay, no any weird animations. So yeah, as you can see, it works really good. But you have to remember that I don't have any screen protector, any foil. So there's a chance that with the screen protector it may works a little bit worse. So yeah, but without any screen protection it works really good without any problems. That's all, bye bye.